This is a speaker that I will never have to charge. What? I recently picked up this speaker online and oh my God, is it amazing. You see this here? This is known as a Powefoyle. You see, this is actually a solar panel, and not just any solar panel. This solar panel will charge in low light, even by candlelight. Any kind of low light, this will charge. Now, admittedly, of course, put it in direct sunshine, it's going to charge a lot faster than if you put it under a light bulb in your basement, of course. But the technological implications of this technology, the Powefoyle, is mind-blowing, because just think of all those devices such as remote controls, smoke alarms, those types of things that a technology like this is going to help. The other interesting thing is, unlike most solar panels which are made from glass and involve silver and various things, this one, if I cover half will still charge. If I cover 90%, 10% will still charge. So it's actually, as long as the whole surface is collecting light, even from this video light now, this is charging. Absolutely mind-blowing. Now, of course, it does have a port at the back. You can top it up. Of course, at some point, you're going to run out of power if you use it more than you're charging. That makes sense. That's obvious. But the implications of this is that by having it by the windowsill 24 hours a day, I know that it is constantly charging. And I just find that technology absolutely mind-blowing. Now, I just want to point out, this is not a paid product placement. I wish, of course, but this is a product that I bought myself because I heard about the technology and I just had to buy one. Now, in the case of Powefoyle, it's owned by a company known as Exeger. They license the Powefoyle to companies like Urbanista, like other 3M, other companies that make products. They license it. So in this particular case, Urbanista, they make speakers and headphones. They've licensed the technology for this. But even if you imagine like wearing headphones with a band, you can have that whole strip made from Powefoyle charging when you're outdoors. I find this technology absolutely amazing, and who knows what will happen in the future. I mean, can you imagine doing things like wallpaper? Every wall in your house made of Powefoyle, constantly charging from ambient and direct light, charging your home. Now, this particular model of the speaker is called the Malibu. It came out in 2023. So my tech nomination for 2023 is the Malibu Powefoyle solar powered, never have to charge speaker.